Hi, I'm Patrick Smith, partner at Shoreline Financial Advisors, and welcome to Pursuing a Better Investment Experience. In this era of 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week news cycles, and a constant barrage of investment advice from experts, we're offering a guide, a roadmap to achieving a more satisfying result from your hard-earned savings and retirement accounts. Although these 8 concepts that we'll be presenting are relatively simple and proven to be effective, most investors have found them to be elusive. There have been multiple studies on investor behavior that have concluded that the average person underperforms their expected return by anywhere between 3% and 4.5%. We'll be posting 8 separate videos in the coming couple of months. So please like us on Facebook or subscribe to our blog post that's on our website to make sure that you don't miss any of them. Also, share this on Facebook if you know anyone that might benefit from the information. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again.